Hello everyone and welcome to the 2025 Upper School Talent Show. We will be your MCs this morning. I'm Michael.
And I'm Seth. And we have a lot in store this year. But before we get rolling, I'd like to shout out Quest for making this whole thing possible.
She rings like a bell through the night, and wouldn't she love to love her? She moves her life like a bird in flight, and who will be a lover? Oh, in life you've never seen a woman taken by the wind. Would you stay if she promised you heaven? Will you ever win? Will you ever win?
That was pretty sweet.
Especially with like the loop thing and the DNA strand.
The DNA move with like the music in it.
Yeah, you know the thing, the little.
The thing, yeah.
Fill my heart with song and let me sing forevermore. You are all I long for, all I worship and adore. Not a word, please be true. Not a word. I love
I got sick, been sniffling all day long. Racing games is gonna make my legs strong. I ordered cups, they got my order damn wrong. Off again, I've been playing with King Kong. Every day it begins with a kiss. In my cup, feeling like I'm Jada Kiss. Fill my cup with some Sprite Sierra Mist. Quarter three, invaded on the lip. Big bag activity. Big bag activity. Big bag activity. Big bag activity. Big blood. I'm big blood. I'm big blood. Big blood. I'm big blood. Big blood.
Rock me, mama, like a wagon. Rock me, mama, and you treat me. Hey, mama, rock me. Rock me, mama, like the wind in the rain. Rock me, mama, like the southbound train. Hey, mama, rock me.
And it sends me back to August, but I don't care. I was being honest. I still dare to love this city through the burden it's put on us. I can't put into words all of the beauty you ignore. Oh, I just can't see your side of the world. Your side of the world.
That was great, Seth.
That was pretty good. Now we're gonna end our show with Mamma Mia.
I love Dancing Queen.
Not Dancing Queen.
Gimme.
Nah, not quite.
Mamma Mia.
Nah.
Lay all your love on me.
Nah.
Voulez-vous?
So what left?
Super Trooper?
Bingo.
First try.
Somewhere